Hello friends, my name is P. Rajay. I'm from CSC section. Today my topic is about public network infrastructure. It is an assignment report of computer networks. Slide presents a complex problem solving self-assignment form. It consists of name of the student, roll number, branch and section, and the program as BTech, MTech, MBA. We have to select BTech, course name, course code, etc. Project title: Public Network Infrastructure. Project overview: the goal of this project is to design, deploy, and manage a robust public network infrastructure that provides secure, high-speed internet connectivity to a wide range of users across urban, suburban, and rural areas. This infrastructure will support community development, digital inclusion, smart city initiatives, and economic growth. Benefits: Benefits: Digital equity: bridge the digital divide by the ensuring internet access for underserved communities. Economic growth: support local businesses, innovation hubs, and startups. Smart services: enable smart city applications like smart lighting, transportation, and emergency services. Community engagement: better online access to educational resources, healthcare services, and public platforms. Objectives of the projects: provide universal internet access, ensure affordable and reliable internet connectivity for all residents, businesses, and visitors, including underserved and rural communities. Support smart city initiatives, create a foundation for smart city technologies, such as smart traffic management, public safety system, environmental monitoring, and law applications. Enhance digital inclusion, bridge the digital divide by offering free or low cost public Wi-Fi, promoting equal opportunity in education, healthcare, and employment throughout internet access. Promote, promote economic development, boost local economies by enabling economic remote work, tech startups, and innovative hubs to improve network infrastructure, ensure network security and user privacy, implement robust cybersecurity measures to safeguard network integrity, user data, and ensure compliance with legal and regulatory standards. Facility scalability and future-proofing design the infrastructure to easily coordinate technological advancement like 5G, Wi-Fi 7, and emerging applications over the coming decades, encouraging environmental sustainability. Adopt sorry, adopt energy efficient technologies and sustainable practices in the design, deployment, and operation of the network infrastructure. Key features: high-speed connectivity, provide gigabit level broadband speeds, 1 gigabit PS per user across all access points, wide area coverage, ensures comprehensive coverage in public spaces like parks, transport hubs, downtowns, schools, and libraries. Seamless Wi-Fi roaming enable enable users to move across multiple hotspots without needing to reconnect manually. Fiber optic backbone deploy a robust and scalable fiber optic network to serve as a main data transmission and 5G and not readiness design infrastructure to support 5G, small, small cells, and large number of connected devices, smart sensors, traffic system, public safety equipment, advanced cybersecurity, advanced cybersecurity includes firewalls, intrusion detection system, and end-user privacy protections to safeguard data and network integrity. Technologies used: transmission and access hardware, fiber optic cables and components, single-mode, multi-mode fiber, optical filters, fusion specialists, access points and small cells, Wi-Fi 6, 6E, and 7 access points, 5G, NR, small cell radios, edge routers, and aggregation switches, carrier-grade routers. Example: Cisco, Elisa, Juniper Mix are the routers. It has high density Ethernet switches, 10 by 40 by 100 Mega Bps network protocols and architecture. IP and MPLS backbone. MPLS for traffic engineering, QoS and VPNs, identity and segmentation. Eight-not-two equivalent tagging for multi-tenant separation. Software defined networking (SDN). Open flow controls. Example: ONOS, Open Daylight. Network virtualization over layers. VXLAN. Wireless standards and roaming. Wi-Fi standards. IEEE 802.11ax, Wi-Fi 6, 802.11be, Wi-Fi 7. cellular integrations, 5G NSA and SA architecture network, network slicing support, seamless handoff, 802.11 are fast BSS transition, 802.11 K by V for roaming optimization. For security and privacy technologies, perimeter and endpoint security, Nest Gen Firewall, NGV, NGFW, Unified Threat Management, UTM. These are the short forms for security and privacy technologies. Network access control, network access control, 802.1x radius, Tarkasis plus encryption and VPN, TLS and SSL for captive portals, IP section, and MPLS VPN for vehicles, captive portals, intrusion detections and preventions, IDS and IPS as applications, examples Node and Circuit. Management, orchestration, and monitoring. Network Management System (SNMP). Based platforms are SolarWinds Networks, Zabbix, Telemetry and Analytics, gRPC and REST-based streaming telemetry, Flow, NetFlow. Big Data Analytics, ELK Stack, Refrain, S Prometheus, automation and orchestration, Ansible, Terraform for infrastructure as a code. Source code. Below is an example of mini report of source code used to stand up a public network infrastructure. It shows like first, Terraform to provision the cloud network backbone. Second, Ansible to push OS and network configurations to the router and APS. Python script to collect SMP telemetry and pushed to Influx DB. Fourth one, review Python HDN app to do simple flow programming. Terraform main.tf code. This is based on this first code. In previous I mentioned the lines of the code. Main advantages is providers, AWS region, US dollars. They use in the VPC plus public subnets. In that we use the tags name public net dot VPC. The internet gateway plus root resource, AWS internet gateway, IGV, VPC ID, AWS VPC dot public slash net dot ID. It is an VPC ID. Resources has subnet ID where it has AWS subnet public C1.id, Second one, enhanceable and inventory inline. Its routers, access points, and are various routers. Router 1 enhanceable host 10.0.1.10 enhanceable user admin. Whereas access point used as a special function. SPL enhanceable host of 10.0.1.11 enhanceable user dash admin. And next Alibans it is an unassailable becoming true. It is an Boolean function true or false executed as user bin and the background functions. Unassailable slash and framework dot yml. It has been confirming as a name configuration network devices and it ensures the latest fireware packages updates name punches, SSS and HTML configurations. Next one is a Python monitor snap is an mp.pv and it imports the time from the pysmp.hnmp imports star again import from the inflexible import from inflexible client. It is consists of a target and community as a public. It has in and out as input and output. By using the def with method of OID, we can instead get the CMD by using the if error indication or error status written as none, written int of variables of 0 and 1. Again, we will go to for while loop in HPMS create this NMP of using this while loop. We can get the point measures, measurement interfaces, traffic tags, etc. Again, we can get the points and time sleep at the maximum level. Designer is clean and simple switch PY value Python code. It has been taken from an RYU base and imported for App Manager. Next one from our first four lines indicates the taking from RYU controller and importing for the different field of a P event or main dispatchery or proto vi slash 3. Again, we get the class simple switch app manager. We use OS, OSP versions of proto slash v1 slash 3 of version by using the diff function. Self arcs, self arcs favors super switches self by using the self keyword and initiating the int function iOS and iOS self-start creating self-start have to code can be created with this bracketing and handle for self-start in we use the message as method dot keyword default message start done with path id transport message dot bandwidth of sir. This was secure conclusion. Building a robust public network infrastructure is a transformative initiative that delivers widespread social, economic, and technological benefits by combining a high capacity fiber optic backbone with seamless Wi-Fi and 5G wireless access. This project ensures universal connectivity across urban and suburban areas and rural areas. Advanced security, real-time monitoring, and scalable modular design guaranteed reliable performance, protect user privacy, and enable future growth. Lead networks that drive innovative innovations and improve the quality of the life of for all stakeholders. Thank you for giving the opportunity.